Welcome to Heritage Lyceum. We are very proud to be the first to introduce AS and A-levels in Moldova. Heritage Lyceum is the only one providing the Cambridge curriculum and the globally recognised Cambridge International qualifications. We look forward to welcoming you to be a part of us and study at Heritage Lyceum. This is Heritage. The future begins here.
The Cambridge Advanced program is very flexible. The students at Heritage Lyceum are free to choose the subjects that they want to study, and they can choose from a large variety of subjects. This helps to ensure true engagement. Depending on the career path that they want to follow, we help guide them into selecting the correct subjects in order to help them become more responsible, more reflective in their learning, more confident, and more innovative.
Cambridge AS and A-level qualifications are accepted and recognized worldwide. So this is a great opportunity for each student to get here in Moldova at Heritage Lyceum an excellent preparation for university entry. Over 1,400 institutions across 195 countries, including top-ranking universities, will welcome graduates holding Cambridge qualifications.
So what about exams? Heritage Lyceum students will experience a program different from the National Baccalaureate. They will take the A-level exams and get internationally recognized Cambridge qualifications. This way, they get deep subject knowledge, better understanding, higher critical thinking skills, which will make them well prepared for their dream careers in areas such as medicine, engineering, architecture, business, law, psychology, art, and so on.
Not only is Heritage Lyceum the only one in Moldova where you exclusively study in English, you also get truly immersed in a multicultural environment. If you dream of a quality global education and career opportunities that take you international, Heritage Lyceum is the place for you.
A-level means access to priceless knowledge and university experience. The qualifications are recognized all around the world, and that's why I have chosen it. What I like the most is that you can choose the subjects you want to study, so you can concentrate on what you are really interested in.
A-level is an exciting experiment because its program is similar to the university one. I'm certain that by studying this curriculum at Heritage, I'll become more responsible and mature. I'll develop my critical thinking, creativity, and maybe even learn how to live on my own if I go abroad to study.
And most of all, we believe every student's program of study should be individually tailored to meet their needs. Before admission, we do a very personalized interview process with every student to make sure that you're on the right pathway. So you have a lot of good reasons to choose the Heritage Lyceum.
Now it's time to think of your future and earn international qualifications. Time to make your choices and follow them with determination. The admission for the next academic year will be open till September, but the real window opportunity will be no later than March. Contact us or learn about Heritage Lyceum on our site and from social media. It's time to join Heritage.